Question 15. Questions 15 and 16 refer to the following information. You have a graph here. Title: Total cost of renting a boat by the hour. On the y-axis, you have total cost in dollars. On the x-axis, you have time in hours. The graph above displays the total cost C in dollars, that's the total cost C in dollars on the y-axis, of renting a boat for each hours. This is the hours, each hours on the x-axis. Looking at that graph, 1 hour you pay $8, 2 hours you pay $11, that's in between 10 and 12. 3 hours you pay $14, 4 hours you pay $17, 5 hours you pay $20. What does the C-intercept represent in the graph? The C-intercept in a line graph is where the line graph hits the y-axis. Let's look at the line here. This is where it hits the y-axis. It hits it at 5. You have it at 0 on the x-axis, that's 0 hours, and $5 on the y-axis. Even if you don't know what to do, sometimes going through the options will help you pick the right answer. The initial cost of renting a boat. This is the right answer. That's the initial money you pay, because at 0 hours you have to pay $5 first. That means before you start, you have to pay $5. That's the initial cost of renting a boat. I've seen questions like this, and you should have experienced questions like this where you have a fixed price you have to pay, then the additional price you have to pay per hour. So this $5, that's the C-intercept, is a fixed amount you have to pay before you start taking your readings per hour. So let's look at the other option, the total number of boats rented. It's not talking about the total number of boats rented, it's talking about cost per hour. The total number of hours the boat is rented. This point here is not talking about the total number of hours the boat is rented. The increase in cost to rent the boat for each additional hour. No, it's not the increase in cost for each additional hour. This is actually the initial cost you pay for renting a boat. The correct answer to question 15 is A. That's the initial cost of renting a boat.